Get your OnSpace project ready. Register and log in into your App Store account and Revenue Cat account. Then let's start. Let me explain the whole logic of what we are going to do. First, we use OnSpace to create the app and launch it to App Store. Second, configure my App Store and my app with my Revenue Cat service. Then, get my Revenue Cat service integrated with my OnSpace database and create the functional paywall page. The last step, get my app done in OnSpace and publish it to App Store. Now I'll show you the operation. Like I said, get your App Store and Revenue Cat registered and logged in. In OnSpace, choose Space as the database service. Because it's just an example, I'm use a very simple query to create the app. After the app is done, let's publish it to App Store first. We have another YouTube tutorial video for publishing app to App Store in OnSpace YouTube channel in case you have problem on this. After the app is successfully published in the App Store, the next thing is to configure my App Store and Revenue Cat. The operations would be outside of OnSpace platform. It's complicated but not difficult. We have a very detailed instruction in our Learn page. Integration. Revenue Cat integration. You just need to follow it step by step. After the configuration is done, let's get back to OnSpace. Now we are going to create the paywall page and get the Revenue Cat service integrated in our database. You'll have to create the paywall based on your project's business logic, so don't copy my query. But after the paywall creation query, we have a tested magical query to make it works well. You can copy it from the YouTube description section of this video. Then, the AI will ask for your Revenue Cat API key. You can see it's asking for public SDK key, so let's go to Revenue Cat and get it. Let's go to API keys and copy it. It's done. Let's test it. As we can see, the paywall page is failed showing to us. That's a very good signal, because if the Apple in-app purchase is actually working, it can only be showed on iPhones, not on browser. In order to make no mistake here, before we publish the app, do two things to ensure the feature is good. First, go to Code Editor. In the env file, add this code and your API key in it. It's also put in the YouTube video description section. Then use this query to let the AI test everything by itself. Still, you can copy from YouTube video description section. After the AI had checked everything, congratulations, it's done. Let's publish it and test on an iPhone. Remember to change your app version to a different one. After the app is submitted, let's use the iPhone to test. On your iPhone, download the app from Test Flight and open it. If you don't know how to use it, you can also check the Publish Your App to App Store tutorial in OnSpace YouTube channel. Look, the in-app purchase is working. Now, let's see if the payment is showed on the Revenue Cat transaction history. For more tutorial videos on AI mobile app building, subscribe our channel.